So we do a lot of demos, and most of the customers I talk with, they come very informed, but a few of them are like how whatever you have, how different it is from tools like Google Analytics. So I wanted to talk a little bit about that. So if you're working with a CRM, first of all, CRM doesn't share much data about touch points, like what the lead or the account was doing uh, prior to showing their interest in your services, right? So how do you capture that? That's only possible with the customer journey. You cannot do that with a tool that only focuses on events. Like you can't do that with counting page views and sessions. And that will be a disaster, right? So in CRM, you have this contact view or account view, and you don't have any idea what they have been up to. You just have sessions, number of page views happened in a day. And that's what tools like GA do. They are not, perhaps they are good for retargeting for like B2C use cases. If you're in B2B and if you want to qualify your leads and accounts, and you want to enable your salespeople so that they will know what the context, why in first place somebody reached us out. So whenever they go to demo, they will have perfect idea how they have to personalize the conversation because they already know what the person was looking for. And and also this has to happen without sampling, without uh, with high accuracy. You don't want to miss any returning leads or accounts from the tracking. Of course, the GDPR consent and all that cookie manager stuff is implied. I'm talking about the core proposition that we offer to our customers. So that's where the core difference starts. It's so subtle that it changes everything. It changes every expectation that you will have from a tool like this. Let me show you a couple of things, and you'll get more idea. So what I have in front of me is an example of a customer journey. You can clearly see that the person landed on a blog post of mine. They saw a few events, and when they come back to my website, we accurately capture them in the single profile. This is the unique ID, and then they engage with the Calendly form, and that's where we get to know who they are, uh, and we are able to enrich the personal the email they have submitted. Of course, that's done willingly, so we can enrich it. We have the idea about the account, and you can also see the entire first party data attributes which are associated with this person. So with Google Analytics, you'll only get this part, not the visitor centric information. And since it's visitor centric, it can sync one to one with your CRM, and the whole proposition starts from that point of view, that it's a lead. I'll be talking about like how sales funnel treats leads and accounts in later of my videos, but you get the idea. So yeah, I hope you like this quick distinction between how we are different from traditional softwares, traditional analytic software, and how sales funnel is in true sense, it's a customer journey tracking tool regardless of what CRM you're using. Thank you for watching.